Ahoy there, mateys! Today's story sets sail on a sandy beach with a tiny turtle with a towering dream. On a warm summer day, a nest of baby sea turtles cracked open on a sandy beach. Pip, the smallest of the bunch, wiggled out, blinking at the bright sun. All around him, his bigger brothers and sisters scrambled towards the ocean, eager to begin their journey. Pip, however, felt a little wobble in his tiny legs. Pip followed them as fast as he could, but his legs just wouldn't cooperate. He flapped his flippers, puffing out a determined breath, but the other turtles were already tiny specks in the vast blue ocean. Pip felt a tear well up in his eye. Just as despair threatened to engulf him, a friendly hermit crab scuttled by. "Hey there, little one," the crab said kindly. "What's wrong?" Pip sniffled and explained his dream to join the big race across the ocean. The crab chuckled. "The big race? That's for much older turtles, but you might have a different kind of race waiting for you." Intrigued, Pip followed the crab deeper into the water. They arrived at a dazzling coral reef, teeming with colorful fish and swaying seaweed. Pip had never seen anything so magical. He darted between the coral, chasing playful fish and exploring hidden nooks. Here, Pip's small size turned out to be an advantage. As Pip squeezed through a narrow crevice, he stumbled upon a shiny, old treasure chest. He wiggled his head inside and found a beautiful pearl nestled amongst the sand. By the time the tide started rolling back, Pip was exhausted but happy. He had explored a hidden world and found a precious treasure. When his family returned from their race, weary but triumphant, Pip showed them the pearl, his little eyes shining with pride. Ip learned that day that even the smallest turtle can have the biggest adventure. While he may not have been the fastest, he discovered a whole new world, proving that sometimes the greatest journeys are the unexpected ones. Don't forget to set sail with us for more stories next time.